ವೈಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಾ?
in the heart. The heart is made
ಸೇಮ್
in the
ಇದೆ
cardiac.
ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ.
Okay. Now it is like a pump. It
ಯಾವುದೇ
pumps
ಇಲ್ಲ.
blood. It also needs blood. Blood is what? If you want to see what in a general perspective, what is blood? I think I told you, blood is like a courier guy. So not this blinking wala guy. Whatever you need, you just 5 minutes, it will be delivered. Like here, I put. You think, oh, I forgot my specs. It is my home. Dunzo, do the Dunzo. Your specs will be here. You miss your charger. You miss your laptop charger. Anything, they will deliver it. And the blood is also garbage bag. If you don't want anything to the waste, go into the blood. They will take care of. So I'm talking about each cells in our body. Whatever our cells need, blood will give them. From where they are taking, that is another. Okay. If my cells need oxygen, take oxygen. Blood will say, I have oxygen. Take it. But I need glucose. Take glucose. I don't want this uric acid. Can you give me? I will do. I will throw it also. Okay. This is how blood works. Fine. So our heart muscle also needs blood because heart muscle continuously working, right? Heart muscle also need oxygen. Heart muscle also need glucose and other things. Now, who is responsible or vessel, blood vessel, to give blood to the heart? Blood, we have a name on that. There are 5 blood vessels. Okay, Sadhana, we just started here. Let me show you where it is. We have 5 blood vessels which is responsible to deliver blood to the heart muscle. Okay, 5 blood vessels. 5 blood vessels, 3 on the left, 2 on the right. Why less on the right? Because our heart mostly on the little left side. And that is why heart attack will start from the left side. Okay. So now there is a 5 blood vessel. The name is the left main blood vessel. Left main coronary. Acha. This is known as the coronary artery. Artery. Okay. Artery carries oxygen in blood. Just started this chapter. Earlier we were just revising previous chapter. Day. So coronary artery. Someone will ask here, what is coronary artery? Coronary arteries are carrying blood towards the heart muscle. One line. Or coronary arteries are responsible artery to deliver blood to the heart muscle. How many types of coronary artery we have? 5. Left main coronary artery, left circumflex, and left anterior descent. Right side 2. Right main and ramus intermedius. I know this word, the name is little tricky. If you are hearing this first time, it will take time to you to get to know about this one. Otherwise, it should be very easy. If Indian has discovered this one, it will be very easy. Ramesh, Suresh, right? Some other people have discovered that is the ramus intermedius, Ramesh intermedius. Fine. So 2 on the right, 3 on the left. Now, just imagine these 5 coronary arteries are carrying blood to the heart muscle. Not imagine, this is actually real. Okay. What happens if any artery got blocked? Like you have in your home, there are 5 ways to come. Okay. 5 guests are coming from each road. One road is blocked. What will happen? First, the guest cannot come. Right? Right now? So, if any artery is blocked, any coronary artery is blocked, sufficient amount of blood cannot be reached to the heart muscle. True? True, na? Right? There's 5 artery we need. It's not like 3 also is good, 4 also. No. All five, because 3 on the left, 2 on the right, and they are giving blood to the different parts of the heart. It's not like one they will give blood, will circulate at every muscle. Like they are giving on the different parts of a blood, parts of a heart. So if any artery is blocked, what will happen? Heart muscle will not get oxygen, this blood, not getting blood means not getting oxygen, not getting glucose, not getting food and air, not getting. What will happen then? Right? What will happen, guys? Online guys, Jyotsna, somebody.
No proper functioning.
Correct? So, heart muscle start dying. That is condition with that will lead to heart. If your small portion of the heart muscle also died, heart attack. Okay? So that is the scenario that artery is blocked. Now what we can do to make it correct? We told already they will take another route. That is the final route. Okay. First, what we can do for this. I was just telling. It was a rainy season last year, not last year, this year. It's July or June, something like. It was a heavy rainy year. So I got to know there in Jayanagar some tree has fallen down in the road. That remind me this example. Okay, so just imagine one tree has because of the thunder and all, tree drop in the road into that tree. Now you cannot go to your home.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
It's a tree, not a herb and shrub. Voice is break for everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's very important because I have to. Okay, just give me a minute. Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
I don't know what happened. Okay, so the example here is a tree has fallen down. Tree, okay, that has fallen down on the road. You are waiting on the other side of a tree. Your home is next to that one. You cannot go to your home now. What you are going to do? You are in a Bangalore. What you will do? Cannot jump also now. First, you will call BBMP. Obviously, right? We'll call BBMP people, will say, our road has been blocked, the traffic is jammed, what we can do? They will ask you next thing, where it is. Location, by give me a location, Bangalore, if I search every road, it will take 3 days. Location, give me exact cross, where it is. So there is another 5th block, 20th cross, okay, I am coming. Now they got a location. That is known as a angiography. Have you heard this word, angiography? All uncles are very healthy then. These uncle aunties, they are go for anything. Angio, blood vessel. Angio means blood vessel. A-N-G-I-O. Okay? Angio means blood vessel. Graphy means image. Graphy, graph, gram. It's all word of name or image. I am taking image of a blood vessel. Now I am talking about the coronary artery. So I want to take a image of a blood vessel to find out where is the problem. Let me just show you where is angiography. Yeah, not so what they will do there in angiography, they will insert a small, a little amount of ink in your this little amount of ink, not that ink where you write, okay, not that much medical ink. They will insert small amount of ink in your body or the patient body. Okay. After some time, now they have inserted in the body. It means it is traveling all over to the body. Now they will take image of the heart part. The image is exactly this. By this way, they will get to know where is the narrowing. Narrowing means blockage. How this blockage looks like, no, I'll tell you. I'll show you. Here you can see. This one. Ink is mixed with the blood. We are taking the image. By that way, we will get to know where is a blockage. That is known as a angiography. Fine. Angio, blood vessel, graphy, image. Done. Now BBMP found out where is a tree. They came all with the. Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So now they came with all their equipments and all. 5-7 people came. Now what they can do? See, first cut it out. They will chop in a little pieces, right? And make a side to open the room. One thing, very easy one. That is known as a atherectomy. Atheric. I'll show you. These all are there only. Okay, just focus now. You can note down later everything. See this? This is one machine which is chopping out that thing, or here breaking down the block. Very small, because our heart is your feet size. In that we have 5 coronary arteries. In that 5 coronary arteries we are inserting this small thing. How small it is. And it is breaking down the block in a small pieces. Okay? That is a atherectomy. Atheric block of ectomy, removal. Along with that, okay, now BBMP people chopped out that tree. That small pieces is still in a road. They have chopped out. What they will do? Make a side, right? They will keep that small parts of a tree in a side, and they will apply a barricade, so that part cannot come again on the road. Okay. Small barricades they have applied there, so that the pieces cannot come again on the road. That is known as a stent placement. Here, after that atherectomy, they will apply stent. Stent is small mesh, okay, which prevents further narrowing. So stent placement, that will be permanent or temporary also. Some stents are temporary also nowadays. In medical science, this is the costliest thing. That's what the insurance people adds now. Buy an insurance which covers your heart transplant in your area. That much thing you need to buy, because that is a very costly thing. And angiography is okay, that is only diagnostic test. Atherectomy, stent placement. Now, okay, BBMP people came, they have chopped the tree part, they keep at the side, they have made a barricade. Now they got to know that because of the tree was very heavy, road is also gone. Road is not good in a condition. You can cross by walk, but you cannot cross your vehicle. What they will do? Correct. Now they will repair the road, right? For example, if there is not they cannot repair, but you have to go your home now. What you will do? You will take another route. That's what you said, na? Another route. You will take another route now. Okay. That is known as a bypass surgery. How they will do here? They will not use that blood vessel. They will create a surgery. They will do a surgery which is having a bypass system. see this. First diagram, second diagram, you can see. They have created here a bypass. There, if yes, I think you can see that diagram. Second diagram, see, there is a yellow color block. Okay, online people, if you little zoom, you will get to know. There is a yellow color block. The blood cannot come from that block. So what they have created, this blue color graph they have created, from the point A, they have delivered blood to point B. Now they have bypassed that one. Like how we bypass like how we have a nice road or ring road here in a Bangalore. Okay, the heavy vehicle will not enter into the city. They will bypass the city and directly from the Bangalore outer, they will go to another part of the Bangalore outer. Right? That is called bypass. Three things clear. First one, angiography. Second one, angiography means to find out where is the blockage. Angio, blood vessel, graphy, image. Second thing, atherectomy. Removal of a block. Okay, cut down small pieces, remove it. Third one, stent placement. That is, by default, it will be included. Stent placement they have to do so that it cannot create another narrowing in the near future. Fourth one is this one, bypass graft. Okay, one more thing I missed. Okay, because this bypass graft is a surgery part, bypass surgery. So we will not get code how to do the bypass graft here, because medicine is all about the non-surgical procedure. We have one more thing which is known as a balloon angioplasty. Suppose now I missed this one. Okay. Now suppose they cannot cut the tree. Tree is very huge. So cut only it will take like a 1 day. What they can do now? They will call JCB. JCB, you know, big machine, wala vehicle. They will take the JCB, keep aside. That tree they will keep aside in the outside to the road. At least some people can go there, or it will not cause the further damage.
Hey, Gopala.
Right?
Hey.
That is known as a balloon angioplasty. We will insert one guide wire. Okay, how it works now? First, we will insert a small, very thin wire from our thigh area, mostly from our inner thigh area. We will insert, it will go up to the heart. That is known as the guide wire, which is guiding you where to go. Okay. We will insert the guide wire, and at the same time we will take image. Now we got to know, yes, we reached to that part. Now we will insert another wire which have a balloon, not our birthday wala balloon, a very small, very tiny balloon, and that too defilled wala. We'll insert that one. Our guide wire will tell us where to go, and I will just follow that. Okay, like how the mountain climbers follow each other. Similar way, we will reach to that our block area, and that part we will inflate the balloon. Inflate, deflate. By that way, we are keeping aside our block, and then we will apply stent. This is known as a angio, blood vessel plasty. Plasty means repair. Okay. Angiography, find out where is the blockage. Atherectomy, removal of the blockage. Stent placement, apply stent. Balloon angioplasty, using that balloon part. Last one is if nothing is working, then we'll go for the bypass surgery. Because bypass surgery will cost you like 20 lakh rupees. 10 to 20 lakh. How much it is? No. Okay, it's reduced now. Good then. Because it was very costly earlier. Stent placement, huh? Within. Easy now that. Because I remember many of after my B pharmacy, many people, I started my career from the medical rep. I was in a gynecology department. My other friend, he joined this stent one. So he was Approaching only limited doctor, that to stent cost is 60,000. Stent cost is 60,000. Applying cost is again, and that time it was like 2010, 9 or 10. Oh, well, that what? So that is when many people will come, or other companies also start producing that, and then only it's cheap. Like however net earlier it was 100 GB, not 1 GB, 100 rupees per day, right? Now it's every day. 90 rupees 1 GB take for a day, right? Because the competition ends. That one. Fine. So we are good with the words. Then we will go with the codes. Okay. Now words. This concept part is good. You both. All good? Sure. So let's come to the coding part. Just a minute, I'll tell you the codes. Come to 92920. Nine two nine two zero. What is that? Percutaneous transluminal coronary angioplasty. Now you know now what is angioplasty. To show you that one, and then I have to explain you one more thing. So, how many coronary arteries we have? 5. Very good. Name you remember? Left side 3, right side 2. Left main, left anterior descending, and left circumflex. Okay. Right side, right main coronary artery, and ramus intermedia. Why we need to remember these names? And how we can remember? First of all, how we can remember? Easiest way, we have in our book. The same thing is documented in our book. I tell you what, where we have to search. Then you come to the paragraph which is don't know the page number, but I can tell you where it is. That did you get the coronary artery paragraph? The major coronary artery. Did you get a paragraph major coronary artery? Like this. What is the page number? 779. Okay, 779 page number. You will get a paragraph which is talking about the major coronary artery. This one. Okay, please highlight that one. And I will suggest you write down this 5 name on the top of your book with the abbreviation LM, LC, LAD or LD, LC, RM, RC. Because this small 2-digit alphabet will work as a modifier in this. So if I'll say LM, this is left main. RC, right main coronary artery. LAD, left anterior descending. The same way LD. done, please let me know. Okay? Very good. So 5 coronary artery we have. Name is LM. It means left main coronary artery. LAD or LD, left anterior descending, and LC, left circumflex. RC, right main coronary artery, and RI, ramus intermediate. Okay. Now that it does not end here, we have a branches also. Out of 5, 3 artery we have branches. Branches you will get to know in the next paragraph, which is coronary artery branches. Same page. So it says up to 2 coronary artery branches on the left of the left anterior descending. In a bracket they said diagonals. Okay, so it means diagonal 1, diagonal 2. Left circumflex, marginal 1, marginal 2. Same page. And a right main coronary artery, posterior descending and posterior lateral. Coronary arteries are recognized. It means out of 5, 3 arteries have a branches. Okay, left side 2, right side 1. The left main and ramus intermedius coronary artery do not have recognized branches for the reporting purpose. So they may ask you one thing, that which of the 5 out of 5, which of the coronary artery does not have branches? Come to this paragraph. Again, this exam is not at all difficult. If you do not remember what is written there, well and good, no problem. Only you have to remember where it is. See, if I don't know marginal is which arteries branch, I don't know. I can come to this paragraph. In exam, right? An interview they will not ask you. Clear? So, now I am coming to the code. 92920, 92921. What you can do, just write down the codes. Only codes you can write down. And make a set. One code. Write down CAP. CAP. What do you mean by CAP? Coronary angioplasty. Coronary angioplasty. What is this code? I will tell you later. Okay? I will tell you in some time. Similar way, 92924, 92925. What is that? Coronary atherectomy with coronary angioplasty. It means coronary angioplasty is by default included. Write down there CAT. CAT means coronary atherectomy. Third thing, 28, 29. And you can make a set, write down ST. ST is for stent. ST, stent please. And 33, 34, ST plus CAP plus CAT. Done? Okay, so you need to remember, if patient is coming only for balloon angioplasty, we have a separate code. Apart from the balloon angioplasty, stent placement, atherectomy, already angioplasty is included. You can read the 9 to 924. Percutaneous transluminal. Don't worry about what is the percutaneous transluminal, okay? Not for you. Percutaneous transluminal coronary atherectomy with coronary angioplasty when performed. Single major coronary artery or branch. Okay, write down on the top of this 8 code, same page, you can write down add-on codes cannot be used for major artery. Add-on codes, it means 21, 25, 29, 34. It can never be used for major coronary artery. It means this is only and only for branches. Let me show you, then you will get to know what I am talking about. First question here on the left side. Angiography in LAD. What is the code only for angiography? Only for angiography. What is the code? 92. Online guys, what is the code for only angiography? Oh sorry, angioplasty, so sorry. Angioplasty. 92920. So I can code 92920. Where they are doing left anterior descending. So I can use that modifier LAD or LD. Done? First question clear? They are doing only angioplasty. I can code 92920. Where they are performing left anterior descending. So I can use that word or the LAD as a modifier. Why we are using it? We'll see in next example. Okay. Diagonal is a branch of a left anterior descending. Diagonal 1, diagonal 2. That is a branch of left anterior descending. What if they are doing only on the branch? They are performing angioplasty only on the branch. You can tell me 21, but 21 is add-on code. We need parent code for that, right? So if you read 92920, see, percutaneous transluminal coronary angioplasty, single major coronary artery or branch. So if they have documented only branch, now you can ask me question. If this is for major artery as well as a branch, then why we have add-on? Makes sense, right? If they have documented 92920 major artery or branch, then why we are having add-on code? That is for additional one. Okay, let me come. Just see this question. Second question. Angioplasty in a diagonal. 92920. I cannot code 21 because for 21 I need parent code, and they are doing only on the one branch, only on one part. So I can code only one code. So I will go with the parent code. Okay, 92920. But if third question, they are performing on the LAD, which is main coronary artery, as well as a branch. Major coronary artery as well as a diagonal branch. 2 place 2. Okay, 2 place 2. First code will be parent code, obviously 92920. Second code will be add-on code here. Why? Because add-on code is only for branch. Here we have branch as well as a major artery. So I can go for a add-on code here. Okay, if you still have a concern, please check all these 3 questions. I'll give you a minute. Please understand this concept.
Sir, I could not see the question.
Question is on the top right side. That is one line question. Angiography in LAD. That you can see.
Yes, sir.
Or it's coming now. Read question, same time read your code description. I will share you in this question in your group. Let me know what confusion we have here. May have a new confusion also.
Sir, in 92920 code, they have mentioned like single major coronary artery.
Correct.
Is that it's a major artery, sir?
We have
Left.
5 major arteries. Left anterior descending is a major artery.
But they have not mentioned left particularly here, no, sir.
That is LED. LED is what? Left anterior descending.
But in the code description, they have not mentioned.
They have not mentioned. Okay. That is one. Okay, no doubt. Okay. Because they have not mentioned here. So this code 92920 can be code for any 5 major coronary artery.
ओ भैया
Now you may think, what if they will
Sincere,
use
madam.
2 different major arteries?
चलो साउंड कम
Will come in the next question.
चलो साउंड कम है
I'll show you.
क्लास वन
They said any major coronary artery. So that is why we
Madam.
don't have a
Sound is
separate
करीब
code
में
for
जाता है।
separate artery. And that is why we are using modifier
हमें
LD
सब
or
प्ले होंगे
LAD.
रगड़ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ
Just to tell people that this procedure has been performed on the left anterior descending artery. I'll come to your question, okay? Any other doubt? In a classroom, you have to full involved. Then only you will find out the different scenarios. After my 12th, I was preparing. I prepared for a NEET exam. That time it was not a NEET. I spent 2 years without college. I got a gap between college and there. So I was taking classes. That one teacher that told me that. Suddenly I remember that. It was an early 6 o'clock class. I had to travel 15 kilometers with a bicycle or I have a moped. I went 5:30. I leave my home and reach 6:30, 6 o'clock. That time and he will come. He will come from the 50 kilometers. The teacher. He always used to tell, morning o'clock, focus here in a class. In the class, we were like 200 people, 200 to 50 people. Don't think that my mom prepared idli, vada or some breakfast. Okay. You don't think anything apart from this class. Otherwise, you cannot enjoy your breakfast also, and you cannot enjoy your classroom also. So be here so that you will find out new questions. Literally, you will find out new scenarios. Like just now, how she asked, what if why they have not documented in the question? That's true. They are not documented. Okay, we'll see now. This 3 is clear. And that was a chemistry class. So I'm very good in a chemistry. After my masters, my specialization is pharmacology, but I started teaching in chemistry. That too, organic chemistry. Now see this. Down question. Stent placement in a LAD and stent placement in a RC. LAD, left anterior descending, RC, right coronary artery. They are doing same procedure on the 2 different arteries. 2 different places, 2 codes. Okay. Stent placement code 92928 and 92929. LAD, RC, both are major coronary artery. Right? Major, not branch. So we cannot go for an add-on code. Clear? Just now you wrote down add-on codes are only and only for branches. Now I have to quote 2 codes because it's a two different artery, two different place, but I cannot code add-on code. What I can do now? Same code twice. 9 to 928, 9 to 928. Now insurance will feel maybe that is a typo error. I will remove one code. So for that I have to give modifier LAD and RC. Now they will get to know they have done same procedure in the two different arteries. One on a LAD, second on the RC. See, and that is why they have not documented the artery name on the code description, because you can use the same code for multiple arteries. Now you got to know why we are not using 9 to 929 here, because 29 can be used for branches. Okay. First question, stent placement in a LAD, 9 to 928 LAD. Second question, stent in a LAD and stent in a diagonal. As we know, diagonal is a branch of a LAD. So 9 to 928 and 9 to 929, because now we got a branch. Okay. Third one, stent and angioplasty in a LAD. Same code, boss. Because we know angioplasty is by default included in the stent placement as well as in the atherectomy. Clear these scenarios? Any question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Havana.
We have two diagonals, no, sir. What if in case we have two? If stent is given in two diagonals?
Okay, if they have given both a diagonal, right? Code 9 to 929 two times. Okay, you can quote 9 to 929 two times, because if you see the description, they says each additional branch. Achha, one more question. Chalo. Just now Sana asked, what if they are doing on a diagonal one and diagonal two? Only these two. Give me answer. Full. Only, not in a measure. Diagonal one and diagonal two.
9 to 8 and 29
Here, online I got answer. Here, boys. No? Correct. Two blood vessels. It means two code. Right? Always remember how many blood vessels, that number of a code. So here we have a diagonal one and diagonal two. Right? Stent placement. What is the stent placement code? 9 to 928. 28 you will read there they have given major coronary artery or branch. So first diagonal is covered in a 28. Correct? First diagonal is covered with the 28 because I did not ask you any branch. Any major artery. I asked you only for the branches. Now the second branch, diagonal 2. I cannot use parent code same. Right? I have add-on code for that. So 9 to 928 and 9 to 929. Done. That must be your answer in this. If they are using LAD, diagonal 1, diagonal 2. 3 blood vessels. Then good. 928 and 929 into 2. Remember, how many blood vessels? 3. Yes, easy.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4G ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
Okay. First question you can see here, atherectomy and stent placement on a RC. Two procedure on a one blood vessel. Do I need to put 2 code or we have a combination? 9 to 933. Now you will say for angioplasty is not given here in question. By default included. Okay, it's a by default included. Okay, angioplasty will be included by default. So you cannot go 28 and 24 separate. You can go for 33 because in 28 also we have an angioplasty. In 24 also we have angioplasty included. Okay, so 33, 34 is for all three: atherectomy, angioplasty, and stent placement. Atherectomy in RC and stent placement in a posterior anterior descending. I'll come this question. Okay, I will come on that question. Okay. This thing, check all eight scenarios and let me know where you have a confusion, and you must have confusion. If you do not have a confusion or doubt, it means either you are a super coder or you are not focusing on the class. First question, stent in a LAD and diagonal. LAD is a major artery, diagonal is a branch. 9 to 928.
The screen is not visible.
Screen is one of others.
Invisible.
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, so you can just re-log in. Maybe you have a network issue. Just re-log in once.
Yeah, now it's visible. Yeah, it's visible, sir. No.
So stent placement in a LAD and diagonal 9 to 928, 9 to 929, as the diagonal is a branch of a LAD, right? That is why 2 vessel, 2 core. 1 parent, 1 add-on. Because one is a major, one is a branch. Second question, stent in a LAD and RC. Only stent placement 9 to 928. Okay, LAD. I cannot use 29 here because 29 is for branches only. So I can use the same code twice or with the different modifier, RC. Done? Third one, LAD, stent and atherectomy and angioplasty done in a diagonal. Okay, so I'll come on the third question, okay? How you interpret it, I will come on. Fourth question, stent in a LAD and RC. Stent in a LAD and RC. This is same, na? Same like a second one, okay. Angioplasty in a LAD and stent in a diagonal. 9 to 928. Why we are not using 9 to 920 for LAD? Okay, so now here what one came. Can you check 7 and 8 question? Seventh question, this is stent in a LAD and atherectomy in a RC performed in a one session. And 8th question, same question, stent in a LAD and atherectomy in a RC but in a different session. They are talking about same day. In one day, same session or a different session. Morning 10 o'clock, patient came to the operation theatre. They have done this atherectomy and stent placement 10 o'clock. 2 different blood vessels, but they have done at a 10 o'clock only. It means they have inserted only one guide wire. In one guide wire, followed by that guide wire, stent as well as a atherectomy device. Only one guide wire is enough. That is called one session. But in a second scenario, 8th number scenario, morning 10 o'clock patient came for atherectomy. Evening 4 o'clock he came for a stent placement. Now they have inserted two different guide wires, one in the morning, one in the evening. So now if it is a different session, code different, only stent and only atherectomy. But if it is a one session, although it's a different blood vessel, they are doing stent placement only in a LAD and atherectomy only in RC, right coronary. Still you can quote combination code because there is only one guide wire, one session. They will not say same guide wire and all, but if they say same session, you have to interpret it that they have inserted one guide wire also. Follow the guide wire, they have inserted stent as well as atherectomy. Now later on they have diverted one stent, one atherectomy, but they have doctor is doing on the one session. Okay, so you have to pay combo code in such condition. Same thing now you can see on the third, fifth and sixth question. Not fifth, third and sixth. LAD stent and atherectomy and angioplasty done in a diagonal. They did not mention it's a different session. Okay, so you will believe it's a same session. Same session means combo code 33 and 34. Although they are doing only angioplasty on a diagonal, still we will quote 34, which is a combo code for stent, atherectomy and angioplasty. Okay, that was a main challenge. Any other doubt?
So why can't we use combo code for questions?
Why cannot we use combo code for
Fifth question.
Fifth question, because it's the only stent. How we are using combo code here, but here you can see atherectomy is not there. No,
Okay, sir.
angioplasty we have and stent placement we have.
So three should be paka present.
Correct. And here also fifth question also we are using combo code. LAD we have angioplasty, stent placement we have in a diagonal. Still we are coding both 28 and 29. We are not coding 20 for LAD and 29 for stent.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
I have doubt in 7th and 8th question.
Ask me.
Stent in LAD and atherectomy in RC means one section we had to use 92933.
Correct.
In different section, why should we not use for 92934?
Because in a different session they have done a separate. Okay. Suppose you are suppose now it's a Sunday morning and your mom told, "Arey, go to market and bring some onion." We don't have onion now. Go in a market. It's Sunday, very good market. You will get a very good vegetable. Go there. Okay. And you went to market area. Then your mom called, "You are on the market route. Do one thing. Bring milk packet also. There is a dairy, or not milk packet. That milk. Okay, raw milk. Bring milk from that dairy. This is different direction. You are not in a home, you can go. You have bike, you have a petrol, go up. So although it's a two different route, but you left your home and you are carrying two things. Although it's a two different route. Market area different, dairy area different. Right? You went only for one time and you are bringing two things. Same session. That is why combo code. Different session. First you go market, you came back to your home, Then evening your mom said, "Hey, guest is coming, go and bring some sweets." Again you went to market. Two different sessions. Here double work. Double work means different. In a different session, that is why we are putting 28 for LD. LD we have done only stent, and RC we have done only atherectomy. Here we cannot combine. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Correct. If different session, that is correct for us. If it is a different session, fifth question, angioplasty in LAD different session and stent placement in diagonal in a different session. Definitely 9 to 920 and 9 to 928 is your correct answer. Definitely, if they have not given different session, consider it as a same session. For different, they should mention. Okay. Otherwise, go with the same session. Okay, so this is done. Let me come to the other part of a heart. Echocardiography we'll do later. I'll share you videos. Okay, there are very good videos about the atherectomy, angioplasty, and stent placement. I will share you today. Watch that one. You'll be very clear how they are performing atherectomy as well as a stent placement. See, blockage is like this. That's why they said, go for your cholesterol check. If cholesterol is high, you have a chance of a artery disease. Right? Blockage of the artery. And that blockage only will cause heart attack. So here, right side of a heart, right atrium, right ventricle, and pulmonary artery. Artery carries blood away from the heart, away from the heart chamber. You will say, but coronary artery is giving blood to heart muscle, right? Away from the heart chamber. Veins are diverting blood towards the heart chamber. So pulmonary artery, pulmonary means lungs. They are giving blood to the lungs. And then we have a aorta. You can see top aorta, aorta. That is a curve organ, curve side, which is known as the largest artery. We'll come on that, cardiology surgery, don't worry. Now, what is the catheterization? See, the catheterization means if we are inserting a catheter, a pipe-like structure into our heart. Cardiac catheterization is a diagnostic medical procedure which includes introduction, positioning and repositioning when necessary of a catheter within the vascular system, recording the intracardiac and or intravascular pressure. It's all is from the paragraph only. Now come to 93451. You got that code? What it says? Right heart catheterization. It means the catheter has been introduced into the right side of the heart. It may be in the right atrium, right ventricle or pulmonary artery. That you can see in a paragraph of a cardiac catheterization. When you check the just one previous page. Right heart catheterization is includes catheter placement in the one or more right-sided cardiac chamber or structure. Example: right atrium, right ventricle, pulmonary artery, and pulmonary veins. Obtaining blood sample for measuring of a blood gases and cardiac output measurement. That is the paragraph. So 93451 is only and only for right side heart catheterization. Do one thing, write down RT. 93451 RT. 93452 left heart catheterization. With left heart catheterization, injection procedures will always be included. You can see, including intra-procedural injection. So within that procedure, if they are doing injection, that would be included. You cannot charge separate. But if they are doing along with right heart injection code separate. We have add-on code for it. Okay. So 93452 is for left heart catheterization. Write down LT. Now it's fun. It's not that tough now. Tough part gone. Now this is a very funny part. 451 is for RT. 52 is for LT. 53 is for LTRT. Write down LTRT. Now you understood? 53 means RT plus LT. Right side plus left side. Left side is already there. It means injection will also be included. No, not in a RT. RT we have to code separate. If they are performing, because right side na usually they don't perform injection, but left side most of the time they will perform injection. That is why we will not give money for that. If along with RT they are performing injection, you have to code two codes, one for RT, one for injection. Injection we have add-on code. Okay. Now come to 53 is gone, right? 52, 53. Come to 54. '54 is for coronary angiography. Remember, there we have seen angioplasty. By mistake, I told you angiography that time. This is code for angiography. Write down CA. Coronary angiography, or you can write down CAG. Coronary angiography on the 93454. And one more code, then fun will begin. 93455. 55 is also CAG, coronary angiography, but not in a native artery. It is on a bypass artery. They are doing angiography procedure, but not on that 5 main coronary artery or the branches. Already patient has gone through with the bypass surgery. Okay. Now they are checking on that bypass graph. So you can write down CAG graph. CAG plus graph. It means they will check all. They will check on the 5 arteries also. Anyhow, they are doing angiography, na? They have to check everything. So along with 5 arteries, that grafted artery also. Okay? How many grafted artery? It depends on the patient's history. Some patients have a 3-4 arteries also grafted. The most danger blockage is a triple artery block. If there is a triple artery block, gone. You cannot go for a bypass surgery also. That is very risky. Okay. Now, fun part. We have seen RT, we have seen LT, we have seen CAG, CAG, coronary artery angiography, we have seen CAG plus graph. Right? 4 things we have seen here for cardiac darshan. Now you have to combine each and everything one by one. So if I am asking you 93456, CA plus RT, CAG plus RT, coronary angiography with right heart catheterization. 57 CAG plus graph plus RT. Coronary angiography along, including on a graph plus right heart catheterization. 93459 CA plus LT. Oh, sorry, 58 is a CA plus LT. 58 is CAG plus LT. 59 is a CAG plus LT plus graph. Don't worry, na. Worry how I will remember this one thing. This all are documented in your this table. You have this table in your book. So 58 is CA plus LT, 59 is CA plus LT plus graph, 60 CA plus LT plus RT, 93460 CA plus LT plus RT, and 61 93461 CA plus graph, CAG plus graph plus RT plus LT. Don't worry how I'll read this description and all. You can directly come on this table. See 93451, which is for RT. Where is the cross mark? Under RHC. RHC means right heart catheterization. 52, cross mark is under LHC. Right? 53 cross mark under both. 54 only under coronary artery placement, means coronary angiography. 55 coronary angiography with bypass graft, both check mark. Then 56 RHC check, coronary artery placement check. Okay, easy now. And other part you can see 93462. Let me come to 93462. Highlight the word transseptal puncture. Now what is transseptal puncture? Here you can see septum. Where is septum? Between two ventricles, right ventricle, left ventricle. Septum is like a wall, a boundary, a border. If you are making a hole on the septum, you are making a hole on the heart actually. Okay, that is called transseptal puncture. The code is 93462. Clear? That is, if it is documented transseptal puncture, then you can quote add-on code. That is add-on code that you can quote with any other code. Like down you can see 93462 in conjunction with 93452, 93453, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 82, 93653, 93654. These all are a parent code for this add-on. Similar way, 63 is a pharmacological intervention with pharmacological study. Pharmacological. Whenever you will read this word, that is all about the medicine. If they are using any medicine to check what is the function of our heart during catheterization, then you can use 93463 additional. With exercise study, 64. Exercise means patient is doing exercise same time they're performing this procedure. Exercise, it may be bicycle exercise or maybe treadmill exercise. Injection procedure, as I told you, we can code it along with the right side, that is 93566. Okay. 67 is also injection procedure, but on the supravalvular aortography. Aortography. Aorta means aorta, graphy means image. Taking an image of a aorta. And 68 is also injection code on the pulmonary angiography. Pulmonary means lung, angio means blood vessel, graphy means image. So pulmonary angiography means image taken of lungs artery. Well, you have code 93563. 93563.
Yes.
64, 65. Highlight. This all are add-on code. This is for congenital heart catheterization. Congenital. It means by birth defect. So injection procedure during cardiac catheterization, including imaging, supervision, interpretation, and report for selective coronary angiography during congenital heart catheterization. This is an injection procedure during congenital heart catheterization. New this congenital catheterization code is a 93593 till 93598. You can code this add-on code along with that code. 93593 is what? Correct. For congenital condition. Remember na, that whenever you will see that word congenital, that is for by birth defect. Some patient born with the defect, heart defect. Well, So that is your cardiac part in the medicine. Cardiac procedure part. We have few diagnostic parts also. I'll give you 2 minutes. Quickly check. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Then we'll jump to the ECG. ECG you have heard? ECG, everyone heard, na? Anyone gone through with that? No? Good. Take your time. Okay, आराम से. Go with whatever codes we have discussed. The concepts. Concept is very easy. The only thing you have to revise was. Today you have to revise.
Sir,
Yes.
injection procedure we have to use for every procedure.
No,
Like,
no. If they have documented, definitely you have to code it. But you have to see that left heart catheterization already includes injection. Along with left heart, you cannot go. Best way, go to the injection code, read the parent code name or parent. What is the parent code for injection code? There you will see. Okay. Like if I'm talking about 93462. In 62 you can see we have a parent code 52, 58. Okay, 62 is a transeptal puncture. Where is injection code?
93563.
Okay, 563. I'm coming on that. 563. That's a congenital procedure. Congenital injection.
566.
Uh, 566. Yes, 566 you can see. Injection procedure. Use 93566 in conjunction with 93451. 53, 56, see 52 is not there. Because 52 we have a left heart catheterization. Right. So 93563 you can code with the right side or whatever code they have documented below there. Below to 566.
As per documentation, we have to code.
Correct. So the documentation you will do. Okay, any doubt?
ಹಾಂ ಬ್ರೋ ಇದೆ ಬ್ರೋ ನೀವು ಬಿಡಿ ಬ್ರೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಡಿನರಿ ಬಿಡಿರಿ ನಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ದಂಗೆ
Any doubt, guys? All clear? Okay, now come to the electrocardiogram. Gram, graphy, gram is the image. Cardio means heart. Electro means current. Actually, we have a little current on our heart. The human body or any living creature's body, it's very complicated, very interesting. I suggest you one thing today. Go after this class and watch one video how our heart pumps the blood. Animated video. You will see how the coordination is. One door will open, suddenly all the blood will come to down, and suddenly the door will close. So that if the down will be, we will press, it will squeeze, the door will not open. Other door will open. All the blood will go to up. Okay. And how this all has been regulated? Then it has been regulated by the electric current. The compression, dilation, alternative. The top chamber, the atrium will compress. The same time, ventricle will dilate. When ventricle will compress, atrium will dilate. So it's like a sequence. Okay. This is very important for pumping blood, and it is regulated by the current of on our heart. Okay. So to measure the current to check our heart is working properly or not, we have an electrocardiogram, also known as ECG. ECG, if you have ever gone through or you have seen, there are these types of lead. The technician is going to attach on the chest region and on the foot. And this is just 5-10 minute procedure, and you'll get a long sleep, literally 1 meter long report. Okay. In that, this diagram will be there in that 1 meter long sleep. The peaks. This is known as a PQRST peak. P, Q, R, S and T. So it should be on the limited range, the peaks and down. The S, it should be little down. If it is more down, abnormal. The P should be little elevated, very little. But if it is a flat, by gone, there is some problem. Similar way, QR, it should be one spike and suddenly drop. It should not be more exceeding. Similar way, T, there is one small elevation. Okay. So this is normal ECG report, where you will see small curve, then one top, middle down, then on middle, and then one small curve. This is ECG normal report. If I show you abnormal report, see, you can see atrial flutter and atrial fibrillation, which is arrhythmia disorder. Arrhythmia, rhythm, you all know. It is on the how we listen songs. That is on rhythm, right? If anyone who only like classicals or very good song, the classical type of song, they will not like the hip hop and these raps and all, right? This is the arrhythmia, man. Not in a rhythm. That is a different type of rhythm. Right. So arrhythmia means a rhythm, abnormal. A means abnormal. A and both are considered as abnormal. Arrhythmia. So atrial fibrillation, you can see there is some more elevation, and then B, no down. Then again there is a elevation. Okay. So these are the abnormal ECG report. Now we don't talk about the ECG report because that is not our interest area. Our interest area is the coding part. So we have, not this one, we have 3 code 93300, 93005 and 93010. Three code only for the ECG. Acha, who perform ECG? Doctor or technician? Technician. Doctor will not come for this 10 minutes, right? Doctor's time is very important. He will come for ECG, other patient dies. So he will just, technician will do that one. It's a very easy procedure. You can also do by watching one time. So technician will perform this one. Doctor will read a report. That's all. Doctor's job is to read report and interpret it, whether it's a atrial fibrillation or atrial flutter. As you can see, both fibrillation and flutter are very similar. Na? It's arrhythmia. But what is flutter, what is fibrillation? That only can be decided by doctor. Okay. So doctor's job is to read report only. Now, if my question in an exam asking only for technician, ECG report, you have to code only for technician, not for doctor. So you will code 93005. Those who gone through with the radiology, they must be knowing this one, the old batch people. Okay. 93005 is a tracing only. It's for technician. And if I have to code only for doctor, 93010. 93010, which is for interpretation and report. How I'll read this code? Electrocardiogram routine ECG with at least 12 leads, interpretation and report only. It means it is only for doctor, only for professional. But what if I have to code for both, doctor and technician both? Then I don't want to code 93005 and 93010 together. Instead of that, I will code 93000, which is with interpretation and report. Remember this thing, okay? Because by reading the description, you might feel complication like 93000 and 93010. It's almost similar. If you read a description complete for 93010, you will find very similarity. The only thing is 93010 they said only professional interpretation and report only, while in 93000 they said with interpretation and report. So with interpretation and report means they have included tracing part as well as a report part. It means it is for doctor and technician both. Okay, and if they are talking only about the interpretation and report, that is 93010. So for the radiology people, those in the previous surgery people are joining, have joined, I guess so. You must knowing about the 26 modifier. 26 modifier will be used in a radiology. Radiology also we have the same concept. X-ray will not be taken by the doctor. X-ray will always taken by the technician. Doctor will just read a report. But there we do not have a 3 code. We have only 1 code. So there, if your question will ask you for a doctor. No, don't pay for technician. Give me only for doctor. So you will code X-ray code with 26 modifier. 26 modifier says professional component. And when they are asking for technician, you will use TC modifier, technician modifier. And when they are asking for both, you will not use any modifier. The entire payment will go to the hospital. But here we do not use 26 modifier. Why? Because you have a separate code sets. 93005 is a $30. Okay. Technician amount is a $30. 93010 professional amount is a $70. So what is the 93000?
100.
100. Correct. Both. Combine it. So if you got a question for both, you have to pay full payment. Right? If you got a question only for technician, report 93005, only $30 will be paid. No need to use 26 modifier. As of now, I will share this slide. Please remember, once we'll go with the radiology, you will remember this one about the 26 modifier. Okay? Clear? All good? So if you are coding 93000, no, that is known as a global location. Global means where the doctor and technician both are working together and we are paying for both. Now, very similar, we have another test which is known as a cardiological stress test. Now that is also a very interesting concept. Stress, tension, not mental tension I'm talking about. How do you know what is your physical stress? Can you run for 10-kilometer marathon today? Anyone? You can run a marathon. Why? You are a fit person. Right. Okay, so 10-kilometer marathon is a little hard, right? How? Okay. If you will start running 1 or 2 minutes jogging and all, your heart will beat more, right? You will get little shortness of a breath because your entire body organ needs more and more oxygen. So for that, your heart pumps more. You will get deep breath so that you will get more and more oxygen. That is why jogging should always be done on the park. You will get more oxygen. If you do jog on the roadside, you will get only carbon dioxide. Right. That is why they say, jogging, go to jogging in a park. Right? So, now one patient is coming, he is saying, I think I have a heart issue. My heart cannot bear pressure. Pressure means heartbeat. High heartbeat. Because whenever my heartbeat increase, I feel very uncomfortable. I feel I will fall down. Problem now. Okay. Come hospital. Will check your heart. How much tension your heart can carry. Okay. So I'll do ECG. Same ECG. But in a stress condition. Stress condition means I will induce stress in your heart. How you will induce stress in your heart? Don't say breakup and all. That is something different tension. Okay? Here physical stress. Physical stress means this one. Jogging in a treadmill. If you will jog in a treadmill, if you will run for a treadmill, definitely your heart will increase, heartbeat will increase. Doctor will be there, don't worry. तो चलो करते करते गया वो है ना, patient died. नहीं. So doctor will be there to supervise. And they will continuously checking report. If they will feel that this is over now, they will stop patient. Okay? This is exactly ECG only, but in a stress condition. That's why it is known as a cardiological stress test. We have 4 code here. One for technician and doctor both, one for technician and 2 for doctor. 93015, doctor plus technician. Doctor plus technician. 93015. 93017. Those who have book, please write down in a book. 017 tracing only. It means only technician. And for doctor we have 2 codes, 93016 and 1A. 16 is for supervision and supervision only. Means the doctor is just be there, supervise. And the second one, see, 93016 supervision only without interpretation report. While 93018 interpretation and report only. Again, don't get confused with the description. Okay? Because people, what they will do is they will read the full description, then they will get confused. Like for global location, if you are paying for technician and doctor both, the description 93015 is a cardiological stress test, this thing with supervision, interpretation and report. Well and good. But if you want to read for the 93016, it is the same thing with supervision. Right? So, do not get confused with the description. Remember, the first code is for both doctor and technician. Second code and fourth code, 16 and 18 for doctor. Doctor if only supervising, 16. Only interpreting, 18. Doctor is supervising and interpreting both. What you can do? Doctor is, you have to code only for doctor who is supervising and interpretation.
15.
That was the confusion I told you. No 15. 15 is for doctor and technician. Although it is not clear with the description. 16 and 18. Both you can go. Okay, that was a confusion I got in a previous batch. This is why we cannot.
Both we can code, sir.
Why we cannot
Together.
code 15? Because 15 includes a technician component also. Although it is not clear with the description. Okay, code description is not much clear. But for that you have to read the paragraph there. So as of just remember, 15 is for doctor and technician both. Complete study. Only technician 17. Only doctor 2 codes, 16 and 18 based on what doctor is doing. If doctor is only supervising, 16. If doctor is only interpreting, 18. If doctor is supervising and interpreting. But we don't want to code for technician, 16 and 18. Clear? Why we can't use 15? Because 15 include technician component also. Here also do not use 26 modifier. So if you are getting any option like this, you can eliminate B and C. Can you tell me the answer is A or D? Whether we have to code only for doctor or for both, doctor and technician. You'll get answer on the last line. What are the correct CPT codes for the professional services for this encounter? What do you mean by professional? Doctor only.
Yes, doctors.
Correct. So 15 I cannot code. And 15 if I code, I will include technician also. So answer will be D. Why not B and C? 26 modifier. Because of the 26 modifier I cannot use. Write down there if you need. Do not use 26 modifier. Chalo, this question, then we are done. Then cardiology is almost done. We have only one echocardiography in cardiology. Tomorrow we will go for the injection procedure. Okay, don't miss the class. A new patient is having, okay, just by looking the options, which options you can eliminate. Just by looking the option, don't read the question also.
A and D.
Very good. A and D we can eliminate based on 26 modifier. Right? Now we have B and C. So 99204 25 modifier, that is common in both B and C. So don't worry about that. In B, we have code only for doctor, and in C, we have code doctor and technician both. Now tell me whether you are coding only for doctor or for both.
Did you say C?
How? I got one answer C. Others B or C?
Physician also included in college office president, right?
C, C, sir.
ఇక్కడ అడ్రస్ ಇಲ್ಲ
The answer is C. Why so? First of all, they are not clearly asking only for doctor. They are saying this test has been performed in the doctor's office. It means doctor's clinic. Doctor's clinic, who will perform this test? Technician, definitely. Do I need to bill separate money for technician if technician is working under doctor? Right? Technician is getting salary from doctor. If you will pay separate money, technician will be very happy with you. I got double income, one from the salary, one from the insurance. Okay? So entire payment will go to the doctor. Let him segregate. That is why these locations are known as a global location where doctor and technician both work together. Hospitals. If you want to bill for hospital, you will not pay doctor separate, technician separate. You will pay entire money to the hospital. Right? Let them segregate. Or anyhow, doctor and technician both are getting salary. Right? So these are known as a global location. So this is global location. If doctor is sending technician to somewhere else for the test, then it is only for doctor. Okay? Suppose a person is coming to the doctor's OPD. Doctor will say, yeah, you have to go for the X-ray, chest X-ray. He will say, doctor, I will go to the outside. I will come with the X-ray film. I will pay their technician money and I will pay you the interpretation money. Doctor said, no, don't go anywhere. I have X-ray machine. Come. It means complete payment will go to the doctor. Right? That is a global location. Understood this one? Okay, boss. So this is done. Only this echocardiography we have. And then we will start with the hydration, infusion and injection procedure. Tomorrow will be very important class. This is very important part of the medicine. Whenever there is an important topic, I was little slow. Like today, I was actually slow. I have given you all the Vidarbha examples, right? Just to understand, because now if you understand the concept, you will not forget till the years. Someone will ask you what is angiography, you can easily tell. And it's just find out, calling BBM people. Right? So if you remember this concept like this, you will not forget. We told you that 20 years ago, I read chemistry. My teacher told that oxygen molecule is talking with the hydrogen. Like, I come. I remember like now. By that way, I can easily solve the reaction in chemistry. Because he teach me like this. That is both oxygen and hydrogen molecule are talking with each other. Okay, how many electrons you have? I have 6, I have 4. How come we will join together? So very funny. This funny things will not form. Okay. So okay, please revise this anyhow. Okay. You will not forget the concept, but you can forget the code. So better you revise the coding part. And tomorrow, don't miss class. We'll go for the injection part where the most of the questions and career oriented career part will come. Because if you are after the certification, if you are going for a ED coding, very good coding department, okay, emergency department coding. There we have two branches on the ED. One is known as a facility, one is known as a professional. Professional ED, you will code all the fractures, critical care, those. If patient is admitted in an ED department, that will come to the ED facility. There you will put this hydration, infusion, injection. Hydration, you remember? That saline bottle. That. Okay. So this is very important, not only for exam, but also for your career. Sure. See you tomorrow then. Okay, tomorrow can we schedule your class by 12? Anyone?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Sure, no? Okay. Because I need to extend your class tomorrow a little bit. Okay? We'll start sharp 12. Okay. But only for tomorrow, don't worry. Okay? And we'll start little extend because now time is limited, otherwise I could finish this echocardiography also. Should not be done tomorrow. Chalo, then fine, see you tomorrow at 12 o'clock. I will post you in a group. Bye. Okay, bye-bye. See you tomorrow then.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye. I will share notes by evening, okay?